So I've been asked, do you need a lawyer for a misdemeanor charge? And I always go back to Abraham Lincoln's quote, "He who represents himself in court has a fool for a client." And what that means is that it's foolish to go to court without a lawyer, because what you don't know can hurt you in the end. So if you've had no experience with the criminal justice system before, you may not know what's ahead of you, and you may not know the consequences. In fact, something simple like a petty theft charge, if you were charged with petty theft, you could end up going to court and being offered either by the court or by a prosecutor adjudication in court costs, meaning that you're done with court, you pay a fine, and you walk away. And it may sound like a good deal at the time. However, you may not know the consequences that come with that. An adjudication means your case can never be sealed or expunged. Is a crime of dishonesty, which means that any future employer that sees that charge may not want to ever hire you. And once you've pled guilty, unless you have a legally sufficient reason to get the case overturned, you can't just go back and say simply, "I didn't like this plea." So by having an attorney, you can not only get maybe a better deal or get the case dismissed in its entirety, but you are also going to have the knowledge of, what the best deal is. You are getting the best deal, or there may be another way out. Also, an attorney can help you with these pitfalls about whether your case is eligible to be sealed or expunged, and help you along in that process. So even if you think it's something petty, like a petty theft or a simple driving charge that's a traffic criminal offense, you may want to consider hiring an attorney, because what you don't know can hurt you. Now, if you want to know more about the criminal justice system and how it might affect you, then download my book, My Loved One's Been Arrested, What's Next? It's available on our website, or you can click the link attached.